Hello and welcome to math lesson number 26. So first of all, guys, can we all turn and say a big hello to our friends on camera? Hello. And now we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So teacher Wes will sit down, he'll straighten his back and 2 fingers find our heart center, left hand on our lap and close our eyes. Okay guys, when you're ready you can slowly open your eyes and come back to the room. Everybody feel okay? Good. And now we'll do our stretch sequence so we can stand up and push in our chairs. So let's begin by stretching up. High as we can. Can we go tippy toe high? And then we'll go low. We'll go low to our toes. Stay there for a couple of seconds. And then back up high. High as we can. And then this time, can we go side to side? Give our spine a little stretch. And then forwards and backwards gently. Excellent. Now hands on hips, legs slightly apart, and what we'll do, we'll just roll our hips, and then stop, and we'll go back the other way. And this time stand there, and then let's turn our heads, let's go left, right, left, right, down, up, down, up. And we'll finish with 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. We're now ready for our lesson. Can anybody remember what we were doing during math lesson number 25?
Addition and subtraction.
Excellent. So, if Teacher Wes writes this symbol, what does that mean?
Addition.
That's addition. I-N. And we have
Subtraction.
subtraction.
S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T-I-O-N.
Excellent. Addition and subtraction. Addition,
Addition.
subtraction.
Subtraction.
Addition,
Addition.
subtraction.
Subtraction.
Subtraction,
Subtraction.
addition.
Addition. Subtraction. Addition. Subtraction. 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 Addition. Addition. Subtraction.
Excellent, guys. Oh, the top is off my pen. Down, it's near you. Thank you very much. So, does anybody remember what type of math problems we were doing last lesson? Word problems. We were using words to describe a problem or ask a question. Shall we do one now? Okay, Teacher Wes will write a word problem on the board. So let's see. Teacher Wes has, how many bananas do I have? 100 and, make it
150.
150,
5.
okay. Has 155 bananas. Okay, so I've got 155 bananas. Yesterday, is Teacher Wes a boy or a girl? He's a boy. Do we say he or she for a boy? Yesterday, he ate 73 bananas. Yesterday, I was very hungry. 73 bananas. Today, he will eat. How many will I eat today? 50. 54. Okay. How many? We'll just do 2 first. How many bananas does he have left? Who would like to do this? We'll have Lakao. Okay? You can come and do. So what do we need to do first? Which number do we need to start with?
155. Thank you.
You're welcome. 155. Do we need to use addition?
No.
What do we use?
Subtract.
We need to take away because I've eaten them.
73. 5 minus 3 equals.
Okay, so first of all, 155 minus 73. Lakao, if you want, you can do here. Use this one. We can even do here if you like. 5 minus 3. 2. Then 5 minus 7, can we do? No. What do we need to do?
Borrow.
We need to borrow. So, 15 minus 7.
It was 8. It was 8.
Excellent.
82 minus.
So now we have 82 bananas, but teacher Wes isn't finished yet because today I will eat 54. So 2 minus 4, can we do? No.
Minus 4.
We need to borrow from the next column.
12 minus 4 equals 8.
And 7 minus 5.
2.
So how many bananas does he have left?
28.
How many bananas?
28.
28 bananas. So can you see the word problem? I started with 155 bananas. I ate 73 bananas yesterday. Today I will eat a further 54. That means I will have
28 banana.
excellent Lakgao. Round of applause for Lakgao. Shall we do one more word problem on the board before we move on? Okay. So let's delete this one. Let's see, who can we have? Who can we have? Yes, but who shall the math word problem be about? Shall we use Lakgao? Because Lakgao has just done her problem. So Lakgao has. What does Lakgao have?
Strawberry.
How many?
1,000.
1,024
Strawberry.
strawberries. How do we spell? S-T-R-A-W. Straw. Berries. Lakgao has 1,024 strawberries, but Lakgao is very kind. She gave 200 strawberries to Nadia. Lakgao is a girl, so we say she gave 205 strawberries to Nadia. Very kind. And then Lakgao gave, how many strawberries did you give to Chu? 57. 57. She also gave 57 strawberries to Chu. And then who else did you give strawberries to? You gave them to somebody else. I can't remember. Gave them to Nadia, Chu, oh, and Prao. How many did you give to Prao? 210 to Prao. Finally, Lakgao gave 210 strawberries to Prao. How many left? How many strawberries left? Left. Can we say left? Okay, who's coming to do this one? Nadia. Okay. But we can do together, guys. So what's our first total? What do we need to start with? Do we start with this number? Do we start with this number? No, we need to start with 1,024. And do we add this number or do we subtract? Subtract, because you gave away, you take away. Yes. Subtract. Subtract. So can we do 4 minus 5? No, we need to borrow. Excellent. And then 1 minus 0, 1. Excellent. What number do you have, Nadia? 819. Okay, so here we have 819. But we're not finished yet. Now what do we need to do? Minus 57. So 9 minus 7. 1 minus 5. No, we can't do. What do we need to do? Borrow. So 11 minus 5. 7 minus 0. Okay. Excellent. Okay, so where are we at now? What number do we have now, Nadia? So are we finished yet? Is that our total? No, what do we need to do next? 2 minus 0.
6 minus 1 equals 5. 7 minus 2 equals 5.
Nadia, what's our total? How many strawberries left?
552.
Excellent. Can I have a strawberry? High five. Excellent. Round of applause for Nadia. Great work. So you see, this is what we call math word problems, and we're using either.
Addition, subtraction.
So now, can we turn our chairs and we'll have a look at the PowerPoint presentation. Okay. So today's PowerPoint presentation is, are we ready, guys? Using addition and subtraction in word problems. So let's work out the first one together. A bake shop sells 500 cupcakes in a day. Okay, so 500. Then in the morning, they sold 321. And then in the afternoon, they sold 150. How many cupcakes are there left? So we have 500. Then we have to subtract 321. And then subtract further 150. Do we have an answer, guys?
Yes.
Okay.
39.
29.
29.
Yes. Because 500, in the morning they sold 321, which leaves 179. But then we have to subtract the afternoon amount, 150, which gives us a figure of 29. 29 cupcakes. And then they sell them later. You see, 500 minus 321 minus 150 is 29. Okay, we'll do one more. Ready, guys? This one is harder, so be careful. A retailer buys 10,543 black shirts and 21,902 white shirts. So the first equation is addition. We add together. So 10,543 plus 21,902
equal 32,445.
Excellent. Excellent, Prel. This figure here, 10,543, in addition to this number, 21,902, gives us 32,445. But we're not finished yet. Now we need to subtract. First, we need to subtract 5,976 black shirts. And then 17,421 white shirts. So let me know when you figured it out, guys. Okay? What's it?
55,842.
Now, are you adding or taking away? We need to subtract. These figures have to be subtracted, not addition, subtraction. Nadia.
46,849.
Sorry?
46,849.
Okay, now what, like Teacher Wes says, we have these two numbers to subtract. We have 32,445.
Mine is 500.
5,000.
5,976.
And minus 17,421.
Equal 9,048.
9,048. Excellent. You see, these two figures are addition, and these two figures are subtraction. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Well done. Round of applause. Welcome back to class. We hope you enjoyed the PowerPoint presentation of the word problems using addition and subtraction. And now we have a class activity. We're going to divide our students into groups of 3 or 4. I have 9 students in my class, so groups of 3 will work fine. And what they're going to do, they're each going to write their own math word problem. Each student needs to write one line. So we begin with one number, and they have to either add or subtract 3 times. So each student has to think of an equation. Give your students around 15 minutes to complete their math word problem before they come up to the front of class to present. And obviously teachers, just monitor the room. Any help they need with grammar or spelling, you can help them. So let's see, group 1, go. Group 2, 1, 2, 3. Here's your paper. Group 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so remember, similar to like Teacher Wes wrote on the board, we start with one number and then we have to add or subtract. You can think of yourselves. It can be anything. Strawberries, ice creams, cupcakes. It's up to you. And give your students around 15 minutes in the room. Okay. Okay, if you need any help with writing or spelling, let me know. And group 2, what will you use? Ice cream. Okay. So we have strawberry team, ice cream team. Team 3, what will you be using? We have strawberries, ice cream, banana. It's up to you. Prel has, H-A-S, yes. How many? Okay. And then net, eats, I-C-E. Cream, C-R-E-A-M. S, because you have more than one ice creams. Sorry? Bananas. B-A-N-A-N-A-S. Bananas. Pangpon has 700 bananas, and then you can say, you gave how many to Dan? He gave. G-A-V-E. He gave. How many? Sorry. He gave how many? S T R A W B E R R I E S. Strawberry. I-E. E. I-E-S. He gave 100 bananas to 120 bananas to T-O to Nadia. Very kind. Chu has 257 strawberries. He shared or he gave?
He gave.
Yes. He. H-E. He. He gave. G-A-V-E. How many? 200. What? W-I-L-L. W-I-L-L. Panpon, help. Panpon has 700 bananas. He gave 120 bananas to Nadia. He gave 10 bananas to me. And then He eats 20 bananas. He
ไม่ใช่ฟาว
He eats. E-A-T-S. 20. Oh,
คนจะกิน
up to you. How many?
อยาก
Dash.
ที
E
ที
E
ที อี
A
เอ
C
เชอร์บิล
H
เฮ
H E R and teacher Bill B. Chu has he gave 300 strawberries.
ฮีเกฮี
Cannot because this is more. Okay.
ทำกินนัก60
How many bananas left? He gave 300 for strawberry. Or we can say 2.
ทูพาส
Pat.
thank you
Okay. So team 3, very good. How many bananas left? How many?
W
No, yes. How? H-O-W.
ใช่ ไม่ใช่
How many? M A N Y.
How many
Bananas. Tomorrow he will. Tomorrow he will.
no
He
will
give.
give
How many? To Park Bung. Tomorrow, teacher was right. Tomorrow he will give 205
ต่อ10 F ตัว F อ่ะใช่เป็นตัว F นี่เป็นเป็นดูจะจำไม่ได้บิลที่ชื่อบิล
B I L L
จำไม่ได้
F T
ที่ชื่อ how many
How H O W M A N Y
M
A
A
N Y. How many strawberries? Okay. So 700 minus 120, 580 minus 110, 470 minus 60, 510.
minus มันจะให้เห็นแต่ตรงนี้เดี๋ยวพวกเขาจะรู้อ๋อแล้วเขียนไปเลย500ยูเป็นกุดคนนะ
Oh no?
510คนจะคิด510
What's that? No.
ฮะ410 how
How H O W
เจอจะไม่อยู่
M A N Y. How many left? L E F T.
How many ice cream left?
Mm-hmm.
Sure, that's like this.
That's it. Correct. And then finish. Don't forget question mark. Okay, ready guys? L-E-F-T. L-E-F-T. Question mark. I need to check, so but you now practice reading guys, because after stretch you need to read together here. Welcome back to class. We hope your students have had fun working out and designing their math word problems using addition and subtraction. We're going to hear these word problems in our class soon, but before then, what we'll do our stretch sequence. So please stand up guys and push in your chairs. Okay, so first let's begin by hug ourselves, and then hug ourselves, and then hug ourselves. And now one arm up, one arm down. Swap, 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 and back to side. Arms on shoulders. Can we go down? And then stand back up. Hands on head, let's go down. And let's stand up. Hands on knees, let's go down. And then come back up. And let's see hands on hips. But what we'll do this time, we'll give a wiggle. Give a wiggle. Little wiggle, stop. Wiggle some more. Wiggle some more. Wiggle a little bit more and stop. And to finish, we'll have 3 star jumps. 1, 2, 3. Excellent guys, so let's hear about our word problem presentations. We have 3 teams. We have team 1, team strawberries. We have team 2, team ice creams. And we have team 3, team bananas. So, team strawberries, come and join teacher. Bring your word problem with me. Let's hear about word problem number 1. Ready, guys? Okay. Two, this is two, has how many? 3,251 strawberries. He gave 340 strawberries to Pat. Tomorrow he will give 205 strawberries to Pak Boong. How many strawberries will be left? Anybody figured it out? So we start with 3,251. Then we need to subtract 340. And then we need to subtract 205. Anybody have an answer for us? Say? 2,000? Is that right? Is that your answer? What's your answer?
2,706.
2,706. Is that correct? Dan, what's your answer? 2,706. High five. High five. High five. Can we have a round of applause for Team Strawberries? Team Ice Creams are next. Okay. Okay. So shall we read together first? Team Ice Creams. Prel has 3,000 ice creams. Lacau ate 50 ice creams. And Net will eat 100 ice creams. And Teacher Wes will eat 350 ice creams. And Teacher Bill will eat 210 ice creams. Wow.
How many ice cream left?
Okay, so let's have a look. What do we need to do? We have 3,000 ice creams. Lacau ate 50, so we need to subtract 50. Net will eat another 100, so subtract a further 100. Then Teacher Wes will eat 350 ice creams. 350. Wow. And Teacher Bill will eat 210 ice creams. So we need to subtract from 3,050, 100, 350, 210. So guys, does anybody have an answer? Anybody? Well, let's do it together. 3,000 minus 50.
Equals
2,950. And then we minus another 100.
equals
2,850. And then Teacher Wes eats 350.
equals
2,500. And then Teacher Bill will eat 210. 2,290 ice creams left. So what's your answer, guys? Down, do you have an answer? Pakbong, do you have an answer? It's 2,290. So high five. High five. High 10. High five. Round of applause for Team Ice Creams. And last team, we've got Team Bananas. Can we read together? Pangpon has 700 bananas. He gave 120 bananas to Nadia. 100 bananas to 110 bananas to Down. Okay, so we have 700. Then he gave 120 to Nadia. So 700 minus 120. 580. And then he gave 110 bananas to Down. 470. And then he must have been hungry. He ate 60 bananas. Excellent, is that right?
Yes.
How many bananas are left? 410 bananas. High five. High five. High five. Excellent, guys. Round of applause. Okay, So you've all done your own math word problems. So you can see by using addition or subtraction, we need to add or take away. Very good, guys. Give yourselves a round of applause. And now turn and wave and say goodbye to our friends on camera. See you again for the next lesson. Bye-bye.